Hey, if you want to go from these little regular light bulbs to something ultra powerful and ultra bright, I've got a 2-pack of these garage lights here. These are the panel lights. The brand did send these to me. I'm going to show you everything that you need to know. All right, so here we are in the garage. This is my current setup. Right behind me over here, I've got a regular like 60-watt LED light bulb, and it's pretty dim in here. We got a spot right here. We're going to put one here, which is already in there. I haven't turned it on. We're going to put this one over here so you can see the before and after of how bright these are. All right, so there you have it. I've got one there. I've got one there. We've got another side of the garage there, but look at how bright these two lights are making my garage area. I'm absolutely loving the power. In fact, when I look up into these, it's like really intense. Okay, so what you can do with these is angle them. So if I don't want these, like I could angle these down flat all the way, and that's gonna kind of keep the light more in a centralized area. Okay, so I can do that. Or if I wanna like get more of the back of my garage lit up, watch this. You can go ahead and adjust these panels to go up like this. All right, that right there is gonna throw the light more out sideways rather than down. And actually it's lit up the whole back of my garage. Let me show you. All right, so you can see, I can now see back there. All right, this one I still got kind of pointing down. That one you can see I've got the panels in the upright position and it's shooting the light more out. As for the actual lumens, I'm not quite sure, to be honest with you. I don't really care. All I care about is what I can actually see in front of me, which is I can see everything. These are ultra powerful, ultra bright. A great replacement for your regular LED light bulb. This is what I had in here before. If you can see that, it's like a little 3-panel light, which was great, but I've got 8 panels on here. This thing is, so these are way better than what I had in here. Also, what I'm liking about these is that you can just screw these into a regular light socket. You don't just have to use them in a garage. Use them in a laundry room, use them in a basement, anywhere in an exterior garage. These are gonna go ahead and give you a ton of light. And that's the bottom line. They work great. So pick them up, check them out. That's my quick review, and thanks for watching.